Assalamu alaikum, dear friends and colleagues. I am Dr. YOUSUF MAJEED from Pakistan. Today I feel people all over the world are in severe stress due to corona scenario and emergency. And it is our moral and professional duty as a medical professionals to reduce unnecessary stress from all over the world. Coronavirus is not a new virus. Family of corona is present since many decades in this world, and all information about corona is already present in medical books of microbiology and immunology. Corona is present in this world since decades, therefore there might be great probability and chances that most of us already had interaction with corona and we are unaware for these interactions. And this is because above 95% people got very few and early symptoms like light fever, cough or running nose and became healthier after that unknown infection. People attended huge gatherings like sports tournaments, New Year celebrations, religious gathering. There were great chances that they might already had interaction with corona family. People suffered from corona showing wide range of symptoms depending upon the immunity of the individual persons. Symptoms are fever, cough, difficulties in breathing leading to pneumonia and death. All healthy persons having good immunity may suffer from light symptoms. Yes, those who fall in high risk group like very old age, very young infants and those who having severe chronic diseases in which their immunity is already compromised, they will take extra precautionary measures and consult their doctor at early stage and appearance of symptoms. They should go for corona test without delay. Now important questions are, what precautionary measures should be taken to prevent corona spread? World Health Organization and other countries develop guidelines like avoid shake hands, avoid social gatherings, use antiseptics, and wash your hands for 20 minutes, establish designated quarantine area and put suspect people for 2 weeks, especially those coming from the abroad, avoid contact of peoples, work from home, avoid to take raw cooked meat, clean drinking water, use face masks and personal protective equipment, lock out situation if required, test to those who have a history of contact or medical professionals, fumigation of hospitals, fumigation of houses and offices, close parks, cinemas, restaurants, hotels, air flights and intercity transport, etc. etc. Second question, which is $1 million question. Since how long these precautionary measures are to be taken? What happens after lockdown or after quarantine time? Because this corona family is not new and present in this world since decades. They will remain in this world after this scenario after the passing of this scenario. So we might have chances to counteract with corona at any stage of life. But blessing of Allah is that more than 95% corona patients became healthier and cured after having minor symptoms of flu. So what we will do? Do not panic. Do not take unnecessary stress because stress is one of the cause in decreasing the immunity, and once the immunity decreases then not only corona but other viral disease will also affect that individual. Follow World Health Organization guidelines and national guidelines. All people start suffering from symptoms of fever and cough, they should immediately take steam inhalation at least twice a day for 15 minutes. Steam makes viruses least effective and help your immunity to cope up with corona and other viruses in case of accidental interactions. Media and social media also creating hype of corona without realizing that how much stress they are creating to their nation. And as I told earlier that stress decreases the immunity, so there are subconsciously helping in the spread of the coronavirus. Avoid gossiping. And I suggest World Health Organization and all government institutions to pass instruction to all media group to avoid unnecessary spread of information and only allow press release from the government officials to be published and released at the media. Take high protein diet like meat, mutton, chicken, fish, pulses along with seasonal fruits. They help in building our immunity. Food should be properly cooked. Avoid rare or medium cooked food. Follow general precautions of hygiene. Quarantine also develop stress, depression, and demotivation, and therefore decreases the immunity. As early as possible, develop and maintain social gathering with reasonable instructions. Yes, quarantine those who have definite corona or after testing or history of travel till test comes negative. Take paracetamol anti-allergy as advised by the physicians. Drink herbal tea. This will boost the immunity. Ingredients are green tea, ginger, garlic, cumin, flax seeds, nigella seeds, fennel seeds, and at the end you may add lemon or honey if you want a taste. This tea is helpful against all viral diseases and boost immunity. For any doubt, immediately consult your doctor. This will give you proper advice and help in decreasing the stress and panic to the whole family. Most important, pray to Allah for His blessing on us and for early degradation of corona and other infectious and contagious diseases. I pray and wish blessing of Allah on all of us. Ameen. If you find this message is beneficial to all, kindly share to all. I am grateful to you. Thanks. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.